what's up, Daniel? Quick demo video for you for your flagship. I etched this in a Knights of the Old Republic / Sith theme. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Both your shrouds there. The two shrouds have two different designs. And then in between the windows and around the switch section, I did a little something different. And then you've got a dual tactile switch over here. It's aluminum dual tactile by Robert Sotomayor over at Etched. And then we've got kind of like Revan on the handle, you know, with the Empire logo behind him, and then some Sith writing behind him, if you can see that there. And that's what we did there. And then a little bit of those symbols on the bump outs too. I put all those symbols on the bump outs. Yeah, like that. To get to everything, we just open up your handle. Now I did something a little bit different on this saber. I took the design that I etched on the background of these shrouds, and I actually put it into your chassis. I don't know if it's going to show up well on camera or not. Maybe. But I made the chassis match the etch. I thought it was pretty cool. I haven't seen that done before, so hopefully you like that too. Installed with a Proffie V2. You've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker in the back, and then it's a removable battery system, right? So spring side over here is your negative, and we'll throw a battery in. You've got CCsabers LED pixels in here for your main PCB, so they'll light up even without a blade. And then you've got motion control, nice shine through. Twist off. This takes a 1-inch diameter blade. We'll throw that in there. It's a little tight, but not bad. Holds the blade really well, right? So your top button, your top switch is your activation. And your bottom switch is your auxiliary. You've got battle mode. So if you go to swing the blade on, it'll turn right on. But if you hit your power on this particular sound font, you'll get the Sith chant first. Right? Just like that. Go to the next sound font. I left the stock package on here for you, but we'll cycle through that. That's your battery meter. It's about where that battery's at right here. About halfway or so, a little under that. This is Rogue Vader from Sith, so I made sure that this particular blade comes out very slowly. Do that again. So to get to your soundtracks on each font, you just hold your power button for a second and let go, and it will play, and that's the same way you turn it off.
I'm
this is the one we started on, right? So everything's working like it should. I'm going to go ahead and take the blade out. You'll find a copy of your config file on your SD card in case you ever want to make any changes. You can see exactly what I did when I built this guy up. But other than that, this thing is all ready to go. We'll just take the handle off to take the battery out. Pop it out right here from the positive side, which is by your speaker. You can take it right out with your finger just like that. And then throw the handle back on for safekeeping. That's your saber. Let me know if you got any questions. If not, this will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. Thanks.